if you want to join my videos, fidget toys videos, don't forget to leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, let's go and start for the fidget toys videos. Let's see, where is she? She didn't come, I guess. Okay, I'm going to go and wait for her. I'm pretty bad. Wait. I'm going to put this one first. There you go. And wait for a second. Okay. There you go, like this. Okay, now I am done. Maybe a little bit over here. Okay, now I'm just going to wait for her to come because I'm just had to wait and maybe playing with my fidget toys. So I've had this monkey noodle. You can see these are very fun to play. You can play to being your hand like this maybe. Yeah, I already have the nod to play with this. Actually, I'm not lying. I am my sister's. Her name is Carolina Milanka. She is my sister. And I am her big sister. Well, I am 8 years old. I'm almost wanting to go to 9, and well, she wants to be a big sister, but my dad is her mom big brother, so I'm the one that being a big sister. Well, I am so short and I'm not tall anyways. And yeah, so I am the call of going to be the big sister. Yeah. Oh, I think she's here. Yep, she is here. Hello, what is your name? I know your name is Unicorn, right? Okay. So, I'm going to treat you with I guess let's go on rock, paper, scissors. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors. Wait. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors. I got rock and she got paper, so I guess I lose. Okay, you're first. What should I trade? I'm going to trade you with a simple dimple. Ooh, great choice. Great. Well, I'm just going to trade you with... how about my infinity cube? It's pretty fun to play, but I guess I'll just gonna put it to you. And there. One last thing. Okay, I'm going to trade you with my poppet. It's pretty fun to play. Yeah, when I press this one, it's pretty fun, right? I can just play with my poppet every day. Okay. Oh, why is it like this? Wait for a second. Okay. I guess I'll just gonna trade you with what is it called? I don't know. It's pretty simple to play. Here you go. I'll just gonna tell you. It's like this. The mother bean. Its name is this pushing toys. Fidget toys, I mean. Pushing fidget toys. I feel like it to play with this. Okay. And here. Okay, I'll accept. Yes. Finally, you accept. Oh, her simple dimple is it's so cute. I don't really like pink, but yeah. Ya, terpaksa deh aku harus ambil yang gini. Okay. Wait. There you go. Okay, I am done. So I'm just going to play. I mean to to trading with my simple dimple. Yeah, with a simple and a dimple. Okay. Here you go. I'll trade you with this if you trade me something that is good. I'm just gonna trade you with this, I guess. Okay. Nice choice to trade. I guess that's all for the movie. Because I have yeah, that's all for the movie, and I love you guys so much. Don't forget to leave a like and leave a subscribe. I love you so much, guys, and don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, and don't forget to subscribe in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you so much, guys, for subscribing me, and finally, my wish has come true. I've already been a successful YouTuber, and I'm so much like you guys so much. Thank you so much for the share, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Love you.